Hi friends, today we will learn how to make a Pong game. A Pong game is made like this when it will be end. We use Scratch to make a Pong game. Let's just play. It is used by keys. So guys, it is for one player. We will learn for two players afterwards. So let's get started. So first we will open a new project page, give a title Pong game, then we will go to and delete sprite 1, then we will choose a background. I am taking neon tunnel, but you can take any. I have taken a background. Now let's choose a sprite. So I will choose a sprite as a ball. Then I will choose a sprite paddle, and then at last I will choose a sprite. Then at last, we will not choose a sprite from here. We will click on the paint sign. After clicking on paint sign, we will click on a line. We will give outline as red color, so it is N type line. Then we will go down till the end. You can use online Scratch also and Scratch 2 offline editor or Scratch 3 offline editor. Then we will put it here at the down. After that, we will now give the codes of a ball. So we will click on the ball and then we will go to code. So for starting, we have to give when green flag clicked. Then we will give a code as switch backdrop to neon color. So if our program gets hanged or sometimes our program gets hanged or something, then it will not get deleted or anything because of these codes. So then we will give reset timer. Then we will give a position. So I have given it a position of 81 and minus 81. Now we will choose a pointing direction. So I have clicked pointing direction, put down, and then I have given it 43. Now we will go to variables. We will click on my variable, delete my variable, and then we will click make a variable. We will click on score. We will do OK. Then we will give code of set score to 0. Then we will go to forever loop. We will go to control and take forever loop. Inside forever loop, we will take one time if, and after taking one time if, we will take second time also if code. Then we will give a code of move 10 steps before forever, and then we will give a code of if on edge bounce, so that our ball doesn't goes out of the stage. So now we have given this code. Now let's us if touching on paddle or if touching sprite 1, then what can happen. Now let us give these codes. So now we will go to sensing button. If we will give if touching paddle, we will give, then we have to give something. So I have given change color by effect by 25, or you can give any other thing also, so it looks good. Then I will give turn 45 degrees. So I have given turn 45 degrees, and now I have given, after giving turn 45 degrees, I have given move 10 steps, play sound pop until done. We will give code. Then we will give change score by 1 from variables. So after giving change score by 1, this thing is ready. So let's go to that. So we are giving a code of if touching sprite again sensing, we will give if touching sprite 1 switch backdrop. So I will go and select one more backdrop. So now I am taking the background as blue sky 2. So I have taken the background as blue sky 2. Then I will again go back to background, and then I will give looks. From looks I will take switch backdrop to blue sky 2. Our ball code is over. Let's go to paddle. So our paddle code would be, we will give code of paddle. When green flag clicked, go to X minus 14 minus 143. When right now we have to move through with the keys. So we will give when right arrow key pressed, point in direction 90, and move 70 steps so that it moves 70 steps. Now we will copy the code. So I have copied it. I have got duplicate block. I have copied it. Now I have to not change much, but I have to do it from right arrow to left arrow and move minus 70 steps. And now we will give when backdrop. Now we will give an events, and we will give when backdrop switches to backdrop blue sky 2, then stop all. This we will get off stop all code in this. Now let us save once and let us go to backdrops once. In backdrops we will delete the backdrop 1 code. In blue sky we will give a text end game. I will take the color of it as red, and I will do it caps lock. And now end game size little big, and I will set it. Now it is in this. Then I will do it full screen. First I will save it. After saving project, I will click on it. It is like this. So it will go like this sometimes when the thing is like that. So for that we can't do anything, so we can stop and do. But some of you are thinking that ball is too big, so we can give a code of ball making it short by giving 50%, size 50. But it is looking very short, so we can give off 80. Like this we can do experiment. Now it is looking nice, so we are trying. Let's go to full screen, and now it's end game. So the score, everything is stopped. So guys, this is our first video